ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್, ದ explanation for this poem, the video is already been done. I'll leave the link here. Please do watch this first, then come to the exercise part. And also all the lesson and poem for this 4th standard Kali Kannada is already completed and updated in the 4th standard Kali Kannada playlist. So in the playlist you will get everything. So playlist link is in the description box, and also I'll leave it here. Please do check out the playlist. So we'll start with today's exercise. Before starting, textbook tagodi, sit in a quiet place. We'll start with the Naavu mathu Namma shale exercise. Just give me a second. So first we have Artha Tiliri. So in the Artha Tiliri, I leave this because we have already done, while doing the explanation, I've already given the meaning. But still, if you find any doubt, you can feel free to let me know in the comment section. I can give you the meanings in the English. So Kavi Parichaya ide, Kavi Parichaya, read the Kavi Parichaya. They have given few names and a little bit information about the Kavi. The H.H. Venkatesha Murthy, where did he born, when did he born, and ellanu kottidare. Please do read this once, okay? Next, ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿರಿ. That means fill up the blanks. So this one is very easy. Read the poem, find the answers. Very simple. And makla, here I'm not giving you the direct answer. I'm trying to explain you the meaning for the questions. Okay na? Okay. So this one is very easy. You can do it on your own. Next one is Hondisi Bareri. Hondisi Bareri is also same thing. You have to read the first column so that you will get the answers. So you have to just read it and you will go to the poem. You will find it. So what you do is, A column idella Aralida. So find out Aralida, where it is Aralida. So Aralida is in a first stanza. Aralida huvina totada hage. So observe in the B column. Do you have anything? Aralida huvina totada hage. Huvu. Yes. So Aralida will match with Hu. That's how you have to find it out and write the answer. So always memorize the poem. It will become more easy to answer the poem in that way. Next one. Madariyante as directed. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಅಡಿಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರುವ ಪದ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್. ಅಡಿಗೆರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ. ಅದರ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಾಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅರಳಿದ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತೋಟದ ಹಾಗೆ. So do we have a mallige in the poem? No. Instead of a mallige, we have a huvina. So huvina is the right answer. Mallige is the wrong answer. Mallige has been underlined. So read all these lines, go to the poem, find out what is wrong, write it down, the bracket, the right answer, underline the wrong one. Okay? So this one you can do it on your own. Next one. ಒಂದೇ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. Answer in only one sentence. ಓದುವ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಹೌ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ? ಯಾವುದು, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್, ಬೆಳಗುವ ದೀಪದ ಸಾಲಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಬೆಳಗುವ ದೀಪ, ದ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದೀಪ ಥರ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಶಾಲೆಯ ಚೀಲ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್? ಶಾಲೆ ಚೀಲ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. ಯಾವುದು ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಚ್ಚಿನ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಶುಗರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಮೌಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಚ್ಚು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಶುಗರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಮೌಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಆ ಥರ ಯಾವುದಿರಬೇಕು? ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್? ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್. ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಪದ್ಯಭಾಗ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪದ್ಯಭಾಗ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿನೋನಿಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿನೋನಿಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ರತ್ನಕೋಶ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ either in Sapna book house online, or you will directly go to the store, you will get it. So it's like a dictionary. So find the word. You have a many words for this one. Okay na? So Deepa is a divige. Cheela is kai cheela. Hoovu is a pushpa. Cheelage we have one more word. Cheelage we can write bagu anta. There is no exact word. So cheelage you can just go with the ಬ್ಯಾಗು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಈ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ ರಚಿಸಿರಿ. ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಓನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ತೋಟ. ತೋಟ ಅಂದರೆ garden. So I'll give the meaning, you have to frame the sentence. Baraha is a writing, Kamanabillu is a rainbow, teacher. So write the sentences. Bidisi bareiri, split and write. Nammuru, Namma plus uru. ಮಳೆಗಾಲ, ಮಳೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಲ. ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ, ಇರಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ, ಗ್ರಂಥ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಲಯ. Okay, so here we finish the activity for Naavu mathu Namma shale. If you have any doubt, please feel free to let me know in the comment section or write to me at yashaswi@gmail.com. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand this exercise for Naavu mathu Namma shale. Do not forget to check the playlist for the 4th standard Kalikanda. Okay, thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more video. Namaskara, dhanyawada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.